Lucky. Welcome to Zhejiang Ono Machinery, where our paper bag machines are in high demand, filling our workshop with activity. We ship 20 to 30 machines every month. Why is our business booming? First, we've invested 30 million in importing Japanese and German machining centers, ensuring our machines have ultra-high precision and stable high-speed operation. Second, we've invested 2.9 million to bring in top engineers and build our R&D team. This year, we introduced the world's first fully automatic paper bag machine that can change bag sizes in just 2 minutes, receiving excellent feedback in Europe. Third, our powerful after-sales service team, with over 80 professionals, provides support both online and offline. Ono Machinery changed the industry, one machine at a time. If you would like to learn more about our products, please visit our website.